Hello and welcome to Concap Industries web-based software tutorial. For the purpose of this demonstration, my name is John Smith. I'm a carpenter, I live in Melbourne, Victoria, and I want to know my current individual wage as an all-in base net hourly rate, subject to EBA, Enterprise Bargain Agreement, and based on ordinary hours. To find out, I would do the following. Connect to the internet. Type in concapindustries.com.au and press Enter key. Mouse click on your web browser menu for drop-down list and select Full Screen. Mouse click on Start Estimates button. Scroll down the page and fully read the terms and conditions. Then mouse click on Accept button to signify agreement. Refer to Step 1 and select Daily Hire Employees, 113 classifications. Then scroll down in the relevant text box and select Carpenter CW3. Refer to Step 2, scroll down in the relevant text box and select Victoria. Refer to Step 3 and select EBA Enterprise Bargain Agreement, 26 RDO roster days off per annum. Scroll down the page. Refer to Step 4 and select Individual Wage. Refer to Step 5 and select Ordinary Time Hours. Then mouse click on To Parameter Entry Form button. Delete Report 1 and type in your name, in my case, John Smith. Then mouse click on Next button. Again, mouse click on Next button. Scroll down the page and mouse click on Generate Report and go to Checkout button. Mouse click on Download Generated Report button. Then mouse click on Save button to computer downloads. Refer to bottom left corner of screen for Concap zip file download progress. Mouse click on up arrow and select Open or Open when done. Double left mouse click on One PDF file for resultant report spreadsheet. Scroll down and review all of the report spreadsheet pages on screen. Select Printer Format to Landscape and print report spreadsheet. And so, this concludes Concap Industries web-based software tutorial. Thank you for watching.